In this video, I'll show you how to find the latest GoDaddy promo codes and apply them to your order. First, visit the GoDaddy website and add the product you want to purchase to your cart. Next, click the cart icon to open your shopping cart. Wait for the cart page to load completely. Now, click the Have a promo code option to open the coupon field. Open a new browser tab and search for GoDaddy promo codes. You'll find several coupon websites that list the latest available promo codes. Open one of these websites and look for a verified coupon that matches your purchase. When you find a coupon you want to try, click Show Coupon Code, then click Copy to copy the code to your clipboard. Return to your GoDaddy cart and paste the promo code into the coupon field. Click Apply and wait a few seconds. If the promo code is still valid and meets the offer requirements, GoDaddy will automatically apply the discount to your order. If the code doesn't work, try another coupon from the list until you find one that is valid for your purchase. And that's it. That's how you can find and use GoDaddy promo codes to save money on your order. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.